Hey, hello everyone. This is offensive kernel here, and I would like to explain you the Bwapp, and this will be a whole series where I've recently completed the DVWA, and now we are going to start on the Bwapp. And what do you need? Basically, the prerequisite for completing the BWAP. And if some guys don't know about BWAP but they know about the DVWA, so DVWA was the vulnerable web application machine, and BWAP is also the same. You call it BWAP, you call it BBug, or uh, there is n number of names going on. So these two are the famous. So just wanted to let you know, like, we are going to start a particular playlist for BWAP also, and in that particular playlist we will be covering the BWAP, all the securities from high, medium, low. Everything will be covered up here, and we are going to cover up as soon as possible because these things are basically industrial standard things which needed to be taken care of. Even I was not taking this as very serious, but now industry is going on very revolving. So this is also a study for me and you guys also. I had done most of the what we say attacks in this, but some you can say are for me also new. And also you can see this is not the V 1.6. I have done all the things in V 1.6 at my particular starting. V 1.2 or 1.46 was there, and now I have upgraded to V 2.2. So what was the prerequisite for it? So the prerequisite for this particular BWAP application will be you should be having the BWAP into a virtual machine. So there will be, if you go on like bug or BWAP, if we say yeah, so BWAP, and there is 100 vulnerable download BWAP or bbox. Wait a second. Okay, so this is this one. You have to go on like Google, type your BWAP, go on the first link, then click on here. You can download the B box from here, click on here, and then you have to click on this, the B box V 1.6. So you will say like offensive, you were saying like the you are going to let us study the 2.2, but you are making us to download the V 1.6. What's the matter? So here is a matter of fact that you will be working on V 2.2. You have to just download the V 1.6, and then what you have to do is you have to open that into a virtual machine. After that you have to once you are open the machine, there won't be any user ID password. This is the bwap update. You have to just double click on it and it will update the whole system. Uh, it it barely taken 2 3 minutes for me. Maximum it can take around 10 to 12, sorry, it barely take 2 to 3 seconds for me, and it won't be taking longer than 10 to 12 seconds if you have a good internet connectivity. I am talking about at least 10 mbps of internet connectivity. This can be done with 10 to 12 seconds. So once it is done, you will be upgraded to um, version v 2.2, and it is very easy. Just try to make sure that you are connected into same internet connectivity. If you are using the virtual box, then there will be a network adapter, and network adapter you can specify the adapter type. But in case of VMware, it's a little advanced way where you are just configuring a particular adapter to a specific adapter, a virtual adapter to a specific adapter, physical adapter. What I mean is you have in case of like let me show you the virtual box settings. Just wait a second. I'm showing this just because I don't want any errors while walking, so your comments will be there. Oh, this is not working, this is not working, how you are working. I don't want that into other all videos. So for example, this is my Kali machine in a virtual box. I will go on settings, go on network, bridge mode. I will select any of the adapters and click on OK, whichever adapter is I am connected to in my host operating system. Okay, and after that it is done. If you are using VMware Workstation, go on edit. If you be having like this, go on edit, click on virtual network editor, click on change settings, click on OK. Once you click on OK, there will be VNet 0. Click on bridge and click on the adapter which you are connected to. So I am connected to this adapter. Same adapter you have to select in your machine also. Go into settings, go better way will be network adapters. Go to the custom and provide the network adapter to it and click on OK. Same process you have to do with the Kali machine, you have to do with the Bwapp or Bbox machine, and you are ready to go basically, my friend. And that's how the setup procedure will take care of. And the web application user ID password will be Bbox, and you are ready to go with it. Just set up this all things, and you will be ready to go, because every day there will be a new video about explaining the attacks types. And this is what I have taken with this particular channel is I have taken a challenge with this particular channel is I will uploading at least one video in a day, and if I don't upload it, so in that case you can remind me like, okay, you are not updating or uploading any sort of a video. So this whole thing will also help me someday. If possible, I will also try to upload 1 to 2 videos in a day. So that will also help you guys and me also to understand what are the things are there to understand. Basically, in a industrial standard where I am working currently is a very big standard, and they require you to not to do all these things at a first day. But I would say if you are not doing all these attacks, then you are missing something, my friend, and you are missing a lot of things. Means you should be knowing how the attacks are, how the things are been working, and you should be knowing how the things you should be taking care of. So none of the attacks type or the possibility will be pending from you. Your job should be done in a very proper manner without having any excuses. So this is what I understand, and this is what you should be understanding, that there is no excuses, and we should understand all these attack types. So this will be a journey for you, this will be a journey for me, and this is I'm talking with the guys who are just coming up into Bwapp and they don't know about Bwapp that lot, or they haven't explored Bwapp totally. So you guys can relate with me, but other who are new or newbies, sorry, not newbies, who are already been into at the top level, they already been knowing this BWAP already. So this is what I am taking care with my channel, and taking 365 days as a 365 videos challenge. So it will be a great time, believe me, it will be a great time. I will try to explain as much as possible, and if there is any issues, we'll try to do a Q&A sessions. So that's it. We have completed BWAP, and I will also complete the this. Sorry, I have completed the DVWA. Oh no, what's going on? Today I'm not feeling well, and my tongues are also slipping. So DVWA, we have done it. We are going to do the BWAP, and that's how our aim is for now. And further in future, we'll take care what should be the our aim for the till that time. You can guys can do all the prerequisites, and we can start all the things up. Try to make sure that your system is up to date. And for those guys who are interested in Docker, you might already have Docker installed. So there is a good news for you is Bwapp is available in Docker container also. But the thing is, it is not persistent, and I have faced some errors while using this particular container. So this is the um, container, and I will try to link this into the description section of this video. um, I will make sure to add this, and you can do this if it works, but I mostly prefer the machine ones, because the attack once you are performing, you will sometimes you will need this shell access, and I don't know, some attacks are not working on Docker. I've already tried it, so as per my experience, I would suggest for guys who don't have like a machine with them, a proper machine, I would recommend you to take a proper machine and do the virtualization and take this step a little further. So that's all guys for today. I hope if you have any comments, then do comment it out. If you have any suggestion also, that's most welcome. Any feedbacks, that's also most welcome. Any good feedbacks, that's also been too much welcome, because I read every single comment which I get. So that's all. Now you will be getting all the videos. Thank you. Thank you for listening all this. Hope to see you around.